In this video, you will learn how to draw the carbon chain for glucose. Glucose is a carbohydrate, a simple carbohydrate that is a monosaccharide. The molecular formula for glucose is C6, you already have a 6 there, C there, H12O6. From this, you can see that glucose consists of 6 carbon atoms, 12 hydrogen atoms, and 6 oxygen atoms. To draw the straight chain for glucose, you will have to do the carbon skeleton. The first carbon I indicate as 1 here. You don't have to do that. This is just for ease for you to refer. C2, the second carbon, third carbon, the fourth one, the fifth one, and the last sixth one. And after you've done with the carbon skeleton, end this with a hydrogen atom and add a hydrogen atom on top of the skeleton. There you have 6 carbon atoms, 1 hydrogen atom on the top and 1 on the bottom. For glucose, you have a double bond on the first carbon atom, which is bonded to oxygen. And then you can complete the skeleton. For the second carbon atom, you have the oxygen and hydrogen atom on the right hand side of the carbon atom, and you have a hydrogen atom on the left hand side. Do the same thing for carbon number 4. OH on the right hand side, H on the left hand side. Same goes to carbon number 5, OH on the right, H on the left. And for carbon number 6, you have the oxygen and hydrogen on the right hand side and hydrogen on the left hand side. Same for carbon number 2, carbon number 4, 5, and 6. I left this empty because to show you that the hydrogen and the OH, oxygen hydrogen, it is reversed for the third carbon. This means that hydrogen comes on the right hand side and oxygen hydrogen comes on the left hand side here. So if you wonder why there is a HO here, let me just explain that on the side of it. So if you have a carbon here and you want to add a OH, a hydroxyl group, on the right hand side, so you just go on by adding OH. But if you're going to add OH on the left hand side, you have to start with the O always. You start here with the O, you start here with the O, and you have to start here with the O too. So O, H. So it's now HO, but it's actually OH. And now, let me just give a short explanation. When carbon is bonded with oxygen, you have a carboxyl group. For the first carbon atom, I'm sorry, phone is shaky. First carbon atom, you have CO, the carboxyl group. When you have carbon bonded with hydrogen and oxygen, you have an aldehyde group. An aldehyde group, making glucose an aldose sugar. Now, just look at the diagram. There's 6 carbon atoms, 6. And now, you just have to make sure there are 12 hydrogen atoms and 6 oxygen atoms, just in case you're not wrong with the diagram. We'll check with the H first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. H, there are 12 H's. Now you check on with the O. Are there 6 O's? 1 O, 2 O, 3 O, 4 O, 5 O's, and 6 O's. And yes, there you go. You have C6H12O6, glucose, in its straight chain. And I'm really sorry if my camera is shaking, my hands are shaky, and because I'm just controlling it with one hand. So I'll be uploading more on these chemistry related, biology related items on my next videos. And please do like if you like it, and hit the dislike button if you think that I have to improve, and please also comment so that I can learn how you want me to upload videos next time. And I'm glad you watched. Thank you.